Are you dreaming of becoming a Python full stack developer in 2025? Whether you are a beginner or switching careers, this step-by-step roadmap will guide you through everything, from front-end to back-end, databases to deployment. Let's unlock the complete journey to becoming job-ready and future-proof with Python. First, let's understand what full-stack development means. In simple terms, full-stack developers handle both the front-end, what users see, and the back-end, the server, database, and logic behind the scenes. When you master both, you become a one-person army. And with Python as your back-end language, you're entering a world of simplicity, power, and high demand. So, why Python? Python is easy to read, write, and understand, making it perfect for beginners. But it's also powerful enough for building complex web applications. Frameworks like Django and Flask help you create robust backends quickly. And Python's popularity in data science and AI means your skills are future-proof. Plus, there's a massive community ready to support you. Here's your Python full-stack roadmap divided into 4 main pillars. First, we have the front end, where you build what the user sees. Next, the back end, where Python does the heavy lifting. Then comes database management, to store and retrieve data. Finally, we learn about DevOps and deployment, to make your projects live and scalable. Let's break each of these down. Start with front-end development. Begin with HTML5 and CSS3 to build the structure and style of your web pages. Learn layout techniques like Flexbox and Grid. Then master JavaScript, the language of interactivity. Once you're comfortable, move on to React.js or Next.js to build dynamic, modern web apps. Don't forget responsive design using Bootstrap or Tailwind. Tools like VS Code and Chrome development tools will be your best friends. Now for the backend, this is where Python shines. Start with core Python and object-oriented programming. Then choose a web framework, Django for a complete solution or Flask if you prefer lightweight and flexible. Learn to build RESTful APIs, handle authentication, create middleware, and structure your routes. This is the engine room of your application. Databases store your data. Learn SQL using MySQL or PostgreSQL for relational data. Also explore NoSQL options like MongoDB for flexibility. Understand how to use ORMs like Django or SQL Alchemy to interact with databases through Python code. Practice building CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. Optimize your queries and understand joins and indexing. Once your app is ready, it's time to deploy. Start by learning Git and GitHub to track and share your code. Use Docker to containerize your app so it runs anywhere. For hosting, platforms like Heroku, Vercel, or AWS are popular. Learn about CI/CD pipelines with GitHub Actions to automate deployment. Tools like Gunnercon and Nginx help serve your app efficiently in production. Don't skip testing and security. Learn how to write unit tests using ptest or Unitest. Understand the common security threats like XSS, CSRF, and SQL injection, and how frameworks like Django protect you from them. Also, use tools like Postman to test your APIs. A secure and bug-free app builds trust and reliability. The best way to learn is by building. Start with a personal blog app. Move on to a basic e-commerce site. Try creating apps for to-do lists or weather apps. Build a portfolio website to showcase your skills. Challenge yourself with a real-time chat app using WebSockets. These projects will give you confidence and impress recruiters. To land a job, you need more than just skills. Contribute to open source projects. Upload your code on GitHub. Build a portfolio website. Practice coding and algorithms regularly, especially for interviews. And prepare for common backend questions, especially if you're applying for Django or Python developer roles. Remember, consistency beats talent. Python full-stack development is an exciting and rewarding journey. Follow this roadmap step by step. Keep building, keep learning. The opportunities are endless if you stay consistent. If you found this roadmap helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment on what roadmap you'd like next. Let's grow together in tech.